Alright, so we've got a GE dishwasher. Now the only thing we're doing here is removing the door. How to remove the door from the dishwasher. If you're going to be reinstalling, it's a good idea to mark where your brackets are. It helps to get the dishwasher back in place. If not, you can basically skip this part, just remove the screws. Go ahead and extract the dishwasher. Make sure your legs are tall enough or high enough off the floor so you can pull it out. You can pull the dishwasher slowly by the door. When you have enough grip, then go ahead and close the door and finish pulling it out. Now you want to pull it out just far enough so you have access to the springs, which are down here on the left and the right. To remove, just pull and pull it over the pulley. Slide the collar back, and that's it for that side, and the same for the other. Make sure the door is closed, otherwise it will fall and damage. As you can see, it's very loose. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to lift. Now, there are two studs on each, and what you're going to do, you're pretty much lifting the hinge from the stud. So I'm moving back and forth just to kind of show you, and then you're going to kind of close the door and lift straight up. The door will come off, and that's pretty much how you remove the door. Now, to put it back on, it's going to be on the same reverse process. Thanks for watching.